Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
Oh, she's good, And I don't just mean Redeemer the Queen, no. I mean Janet Jackson there, featuring J. Cole on that track called No Sleep. I feel like a dance. Makopa, wanna dance with me, huh? What say you?
Dance with me. I want to be a partner, can't you see? The music is just starting, night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me. Fantasy could never be so killing. I feel free. I hope that you are willing. Pick the beat up and kick your feet up. Dance with me. Let it lift you off the ground. Starry eyes and love is all around us. I can take you where you want to go. Oh, dance with me. I want to be a partner, can't you see? The music is just starting, night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me. All around us. I can take you where you want to go. Oh, dance with me. I want to be a partner, can't you see? The music is just starting, night is calling, and I am falling. Dance with me.
Hello. This is Cynthia Murray from Liverpool, UK. And right now you're listening to John the Boss.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
An evergreen from the late 70s, Radio 3's Dr. Bobo Hilton Mambo wore the grooves completely, wore them right out on our vinyl copy back in the day. Orleans, dance with me. So the answer to this week's fun quiz then is, if you walked into a room with a match, a paraffin lamp, a candle and a fireplace, what would you light first? If you walked into a room with a match, a lamp, a paraffin lamp, a candle and a fireplace, what would you light first? The answer, of course, is you would light the match. Yeah. Next week's question comes up straight after our swan song for this week, and what a classic song it is too.
Members only, it's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook, bring your broken heart, 'cause it's members only tonight. Say you lost your woman, say you lost your man. You got a lot of problems, all in your life. Well, they throw in a party for the broken hearted, and it's members only tonight. Go tell mama, go tell daddy, red or yellow, black or white. Throw in a party, all for the sad and lonely. It's members only tonight. Members only. It's a private party. Don't need no money to qualify. Don't bring your checkbook, bring your broken heart. 'Cause it's members only tonight. Say you lost your woman, say you lost your man. You got a lot of problems, in your life. They're throwing a party for the broken hearted, and it's members only tonight. Go tell mama, Lord, go tell daddy.
Sounds on Saturday with John, the boss.
And so it was a legend by the name Bobby Bland with a little ditty called Members Only. So, before we go, the competition quiz question for you at home to attempt is, what can travel right round the world without ever leaving its corner? Got that? What can travel right round the world without ever leaving its corner? You know just what to do if you'd like to be in the running for a superb and unique Sounds on Saturday prize. And with that, I'm gone. So until next week then, don't let the sound of your own wheels drive you crazy. Take it easy. Although it must be said, I never practice what I preach. At my point in life, I never take anything easy. I just take it whichever way I can find it. Hasta la vista.
And with that, we're lighting out. Time to bid farewell to our fans on Classic 260 Radio, GalaxyRadio.net in Germany, and Zambezi Soul Radio from London. And thank you to our host, the Radio Commissioner General, and to Otis the Flow for mixing and fixing without messing nor fussing. I'm DJ Hot Cat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt, and he's John the Boss that rocks the DJ box. See ya.
And thanks to you, Kat, as well as John the Boss for holding it down. They will definitely be back in the studio next week. Sounds on Saturday coming to a close for today. Let's check out the playlist. Michael Bolton, Lean On Me. BJ Thomas, A Song For You. Commodores, This Love. Spinners, One of a Kind. Dionne Warwick and the Spinners. Then Came You, I'm Doing Fine Now. The Pasadenas, Freddie Jackson and Melba Moore. A Little Bit More. The Four Brothers, Rudo Chete, Fergal Sharkey, A Good Heart Is Hard to Find, Don Henley and Patti Smith, Sometimes Love Ain't Enough, Janet Jackson featuring J. Cole, No Sleep, Orleans, Dance With Me, and finally Bobby Bland, Members Only. Most definitely you are all members, so this one is definitely for you every Saturday. SOS. Take care, have a great weekend. Otis the Flow signing off. Ciao.
That's it for this week on Sounds on Saturday with Rediva the Queen, Otis the Flow, Hot Cat, and John the Boss. Sounds on Saturday is the soundtrack to your lives. Playing the soundtracks of your lives. Music, quizzes, fun, and celebrity prizes galore are our stock in trade. Find us on Facebook at John on the Microphone for more contact details. Our WhatsApp numbers in Zimbabwe are +263 719 498 651. And in the UK, +44 77 51 022 922. Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
Frequency clear. Stereophonic sound.